All right, follow me. For now, we're regrouping at Maxwell, whoever's left. Just don't get too comfortable. You're one of the last groups we've been in contact with. Captain Miller's coordinating things. Believe it or not, he's the ranking officer left on this fucking rock. He's just over there, setting up a temporary briefing area right now. We're piling the few weapons we have just beside it. It's not exactly an armory, but we need to take stock of whatever we got. So for now, we're dividing up into 4 squads. Alpha through Delta. I'm leading Delta, and your squad leader's just over there. Sergeant Conway's heading up Alpha. You guys must know each other. Anyway, Miller's got the details. A healer went down on the forest nearby. He's putting together a plan. Get your shit together and report in when you're set, Corporal. We'll try to sort out exactly what the fuck is going on.
Well, I heard the shit kicked off up at Camino.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, comms were fucked, though. Could barely make out the messages.
Right, I heard that. It was a mess. Fucking greenbacks, man. Apparently there was some firefight not far from our position.
Shit. Our guys okay?
That's the thing, not one of ours. At least not anyone accounted for.
Kerry, good to see you, man. This shit's a mess. Anyway, this Captain Miller wants to speak to us. Come on, let's find out what he wants. You coming?
We're still piecing together what happened this morning, but one thing is clear. Altis armed forces on Stratis are hostile. Right now, long-range comms are down. Commander McKinnon is confirmed KIA, and whatever equipment we may have had is either halfway scrapped or entirely wrecked. We need to organize, rearm, make a plan, and take back the initiative. We'll split up. I've nominated 3 men, Conway, Lacey, and Mitchell, to each lead a squad, Alpha through Charlie. My own team will operate as Delta under the command of Lieutenant James. Now, the first priority is situational awareness. Half our force will go on recon. Another squad will dig in here and take stock of whatever equipment we've got to hand. And that just leaves us with our most pressing concern. The AAF managed to bring down a Blackfoot. It crash-landed dangerously close to our position. There's a burning wreck and a smokestack a mile high. That is no good. Alpha will secure the crash site, make a sweep for any survivors, and get rid of it. Questions? All right. Let's move out, gentlemen.
Christ, where the hell are the reinforcements?
Your guess is as good as mine, man. What's the end goal, you know?
An end goal's one thing. Just not getting killed right now is fine by me.
Sure, man, but without full NATO support, just feels like we're pissing into the wind.
Apparently somebody managed to get off a lucky shot on one of their choppers.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, hit the deck somewhere up north.
Right. I wonder if the wreck's still intact.
Alpha to Falcon, approaching crash site, over.
Confirmed, Alpha. Make a sweep of the immediate area. Out.
Contact! Patrol just up ahead! Roger, cover, open fire! Target! Fire at that soldier! Armstrong, engage that machine gunner! Medic! Armstrong, Kerry! Fire at that soldier! Front! Down! Engaging! Hostile down! Okay, looks like that was the last of them. Copy. Falcon, this is Alpha. Enemy forces occupying the crash site neutralized. Securing now. Over.
Copy that, Alpha. Be advised, Bravo reports enemy movement incoming from Gurna. Get in and get out. Falcon, out.
Okay, let's go!
There's a survivor over here. Doc, take care of him. We'll take up defensive positions. Kerry, you've got the mine. Set up a perimeter. Get a move on. Kerry, lock and load. Falcon, we've got a survivor at the crash site. He's immobilized. We don't have the supplies to get him moving. Requesting medevac. Over.
Medivac? With respect, Alpha, it's not like we've got a helo on standby here. Bear with me. Wait one. All right, Alpha. The best we can do Sit tight. Out.
I've got it! Left! Machine gunner, 100 meters, left!
Kerry, engage that machine gunner!
Medic, 100 meters, left! Target neutralized!
Area clear.
Delta to Alpha, we're on the way. Sending our medic to your guy. Over.
Copy that. Just hurry the fuck up. We're losing you.
Contact!
Fuck!
What is it?
I've got no pulse here. It's gone.
Shit. Falcons, this is Delta. They've lost their pilot. Please advise. Over. Acknowledge, Delta. You did what you could. Fall back. Alpha, continue on mission. Destroy the wreck and get back to Maxwell. Out.
Kerry, plant a charge on that wreck.
I'm on it! Charge planted, sir.
Okay, wait until we're all clear before detonating.